Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to share with you guys something special, and it's almost like a haul, but I just want to share with you guys a package that I recently received and share you guys my thought about it. This package is from Sigma Beauty. So if you guys are not aware or doesn't know about Sigma Beauty is actually really well known for their amazing brushes, and they are from the US, but for the past few years they've actually been featured in some stores here in Canada as well, and you can purchase their brushes online. But Sigma Beauty is known for their amazing brushes. I heard so much good things about this brand, and when I received this package I was so excited that I can finally try it, and they sent few products as well, so I just want to share with you guys and share with you guys my thought as well. So the first thing that comes in the mail is a welcome card. It says here, Marilyn, welcome to the Sigma family, enjoy your Sigma Beauty. Shy, thank you so much Shy for sending me these goodies. So the next thing is this Sigma Beauty, hashtag Sigma Beauty envelope here. This is the Sigma Beauty delivery envelope. Here it shows, it's almost like those brochure, the catalog that has all the complete products that Sigma Beauty have so far, which is very helpful. So it will show you, especially their brushes, if they have a bunch. And they're actually the first brand that actually came up with this amazing brush cleaner right here. So that's, I think they become popular because of this. Yeah, and they have like lots of brushes. And they also have based products as well. So the first product that I have in here is this Sigma Warm Neutral Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, and this is actually what I'm wearing right now on my eye. If you want to know how this palette perform, I actually created a quick video on my Instagram, so I'll leave that video down below so you guys can see. But this is the makeup look that I created. It's actually very pretty. So these are the shades. So pretty. So for me, this palette is, you can use it on a everyday look, but you can also use it for a dramatic look. So actually, when I receive it, this is actually the only palette that I bring with me when I went to Calgary last week, and I really like it because there's a lot of shimmers. There's also mattes where you can use for more everyday look, and there's some shimmers as well where you can create more dramatic looks. So yeah, so that's why it's amazing palette. I really love it. It blends really amazing. I find that the matte are more pigmented than the shimmer. So yeah, especially the light shimmer is not as pigmented, but I really love it, and it's definitely amazing for your travel kit if you are looking to bring only one palette in your trip. This one is amazing, so definitely check this out. Next product in here is the Sigma Auto Powder, and this is in the shade Cora de Rosa. So this is a face powder. Next in here is this Creme Couture liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade New Mod. This is like a very pretty nude lipstick, liquid lipstick. I'll show you guys this one. Really pretty. This is actually my favorite shade, so it's really perfect. I feel like mauve color, like this type of color, you can wear it all year long, so this is perfect. The next one in here is this Sigma Gel Eyeliner Winged Eyeliner. And this is in the shade Black. Let's open it. Ooh. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. I never really tried any gel eyeliner in this form, like in the pot, so I'm really excited to try this. So because we have a gel eyeliner, so they also send this bent liner, which is the B12 bent liner, and it's actually like bent. You guys can see that. This one, it's perfect because most of the eyeliner brush is like straight, but this one is bent, so it's easier to use. And I like the packaging. It's really smart, really slick, and see, say pull here, and yeah, so you guys see that? It's like bent, so it's easier to apply your eyeliner, wing eyeliner. Okay, the next one in here is this smaller tempered blending brush in E45. I actually used this already today and it's really soft. I love blending brush. I love brushes that are very soft, and this one is very easy to use and it blends the shadow. It helps blend the shadow really well. And then the next products are this 4 sets of brushes. And then we have, so it's basically a 4-set kabuki brush, which is exciting, and it comes with like different shapes. So we have the F83 Edge Kabuki. So you can have like the foundation brush, you can use this one for contour. Let's open and try them. Ooh, it's not as like soft, but it's like it will help you blend your foundation. And the last product in here is this solid makeup brush cleanser. And this is the one that you stick on your sink. You stick it on your sink, like in this picture, like right here, and it comes with the soap. So I really like this, which I find very handy when you are traveling like more than a few weeks, like at least 2 weeks. If you need to clean your brushes, this would be perfect. And you can actually use it for your sponges as well. Whoops! See, so it shows you guys how to use it. There. So 2-in-1 solid makeup brush cleanser. Yeah, so and then there's a soap already attaching it. Let's make it easier for you to clean your brushes on the go. This is the back that stick on the sink. Really cool. So that's basically all that I received from Sigma Beauty. Thank you again, Sigma Beauty, for sending me this package. If you guys are interested to check out any of the product that I mentioned today or any product that they have on the website, I'll make sure to leave my discount code down below so you can save some money. Thank you guys so much again for watching. If you have any question or any suggestion for upcoming videos, definitely leave them down below. And thank you guys so much again for watching, and we'll see you guys on my next video.